Shout out, Cookies! Thank you for coming. Shout out po, 18 million viewers. Good evening. Please like my live, guys. Thank you. Hello, Cookies! Shout out, 11 million viewers. Hello, everyone. Kamusta po kayo lahat? How are you guys? Kailas Gaming, hello! Kamusta ka na po? Sige po, gawa mo ice candy. Wala po kayong audio, ate. Nakamute po ako kasi may makulit dito. Hindi ako nagawang ice candy. Nagawa ko ng gagamitin namin bukas sa school. May field demo kasi mga bata bukas. Ayun, yung panglagay sa buhok. Ayan, nagawa ko. Hindi mo na ako gumawang paninda. Busy pa sa school. Kamusta ka naman po? Natuwa ako dun sa video mo, yung sa sungka. May sungka talaga ako dito pero hindi ko na alam paano gamitin. Ayun pala, pito-pito palang bato yon sa bawat butas. Kamusta ka naman, Kailas Gaming? Nagmumute ako kasi may nanonood ng TV, may nanonood ng cellphone, baka tayo ma-CPR. Di ba pito? Ayan. Buti nga napanood ko yun. Talaga, ang tagal ko nang nabili yun. Dati kasi may nagtitinda dito sa amin. Yung parang mga second hand ng gamit. Nakita ko yung sungka. Natuwa ako kasi nung bata ako, nangihiram lang kaming ganun. Pero hindi ko na alam laruin, kaya hindi ko siya nagagamit. Nandyan lang siya, tinabi ko. Tapos nung mapanood ko yung video mo, tuwan-tuwa ako. Ay, ganun pala yun. So, ate nagpapay katapos lang mag-dinner. Okay. Busy-busyhan. Nagawa ko ng panglagay sa buhok. Inglesero ka nga eh. Ganyan din yung sinanay Nene Days, yung nung kausap mo nung nag-live ako nung pagpasok mo. Ayun, ganun din yun. Ganun din sa'yo magsalita. Inglesera din yun. Pareho kayo Ilonggo. Natutuwa nga ako pag yung kaibigan ko nagsasalita tulad sa'yo eh. Hindi ka nagla-live? Hindi ka nagla-live kay Las Gaming? Ngayon, seldom na lang ako nag-upload. Busy sa work at family matters. Okay. Ibangan mo na lang. Ako nga yung YouTube ko, ginagawa ko lang yung ng mga remembrance ng mga anak ko. Para pag lumaki sila, meron silang babalik ang mga video nila nung bata pa sila. Hindi naman talaga ako nag-vlog. Hindi po ako naglalagay. Ah, kaya pala. Salamat ha. Ay, Sir Heaven's Hope. Thank you for coming, sir. Nahihiya po ako. Ganyan din ako dati. Ganyan din ako dati. Nagla-live ako dati. Naka-off cam lang yan. Pero si Nanay Nene Days, pinupush kami ng pinupush na mag-live na daw ng ganito. Kahit daw hindi magsalita. Naka-open lang yung camera. Okay naman pala. Libangan lang. Pag ganito ang live mo, may kausap ka. Nahihiya ka po. At saka sa internet, yun lang. Mahirap din mag-live pag mahina ang internet. Loading. Nathan Lance Kinaywayan. Hello po. Dito, marami kang makukuha mga kaibigan sa YT, mga ganyan. Mga hindi mo kilala, papasok sa live mo, pwede mong kausapin, makakwentuhan.
Captain, it looks like the Longforce has the coordinates for the next island. Great, let's go! Once we get to the top, we're gonna start a brand new adventure! Who's up for finding some gold? Guys, get ready!
Kailangan ko makagawa ng 39 pieces nito. Nakailang pa lang ba? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Ay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 pieces pa lang pala. Narcy Salwayon. Hello po. Thank you for coming. Good evening po. Shout out. Kamusta naman po kayo? Pero hinaan mo naman yun. Rinig na rinig yan dito na.
One octopus balloon on the way.
Ay! Mampas! Shout out Mampas Hawaii! Good evening po. Ay, good morning na po ba dyan saya? Mampas, good evening. Good morning. Basta na, Mampas. Same time lang tayo, sis. Pinas time din ang HK. Okay po. Good evening na po sa'yo dyan. Sir Haven's Hope. Good evening. Agree. Si Inay Nene Days, nung umuwi yun ng Pilipinas, hindi rin siya makapag-YouTube. Hirap na hirap din siya sa, sa internet. Okay lang sis, always be. Yan. Thank you po Ma'am Pa sa pagbisita.
Mama, look at this ganda. Ma.
Ano yan? Thank you po sa inyong lahat dyan. Welcome sis. Thank you Ma'am Pasha. Nagla-live-livean lang. Pang-update lang po ito. Oh, ano yun? Ano sabi? Ano yan? Nag-mute ako, Mampash, kasi may maingay ditong nanonood ng TV, nanonood ng cellphone. Kaya nga, sis, pang dagdag YH yan. Opo. Hindi na kasi ako masyado nakapag-upload. Tamad pa ako mag-edit. Kaya ganito na lang ginagawa ko. Sige, Mampash, baka busy ka na po dyan. Thank you so much sa pagbisita. Salamat. Pinupush kasi kami ni Nay Nene mag-live daw kami, wag daw kaming mahiya sa camera. Ayan, nag-try kami. Ayos naman pala.
Mga parang bliss.
Wag baby, sakto lang yan. No, wag mo laruin, sakto lang yan.
Pala mama.
Wag na, sakto lang yan. Baka mawala eh. Thank you, Mampash.
Now we have no idea where we are or where we're going. With the octopus up there, we can't set the sails and control the ship. What are we gonna do?
Saya na pati kasi pan ayusin mo. Ayusin mo. Pakita sa kuya.
Ayaw.
Ako po, hindi pa ako nag-OFW. Dito lang po ako sa Pinas.
Wala mani.
Nakatry ako mga ibang bansa nung ako'y nagtatrabaho pa sa pabrika. Ma'am Day Loves, good evening po. Thank you, Ma'am Day Loves. Thumbs up done. Thank you, Ma'am Day Loves. Happy third year. 3 years in YT. Third year.
The octopus is shrinking.
Thank you, Ma'am Day Labs.
What are we gonna do? We're still really high up in the air.
Lucy, something's wrong. You gotta come down now.
Hindi pa ako nag-OFW. Naranasan ko mag-ibang bansa nung nagtatrabaho pa ako sa pabrika. Bali, pinadala ako ng company sa Japan. Pero 6 months lang naman yun. Yun lang. Pero yung hindi ko na-try. Takot kasi ako. Takot ako mag-ibang bansa na mag-a-apply, magtatrabaho doon. Gawa ng mga napapanood kong ano daw? Sabi ng asawa ko, akala niya gagawa pa daw ng cake na ang base ko ay sa tingga. Sabi sa asawa mo, hi. Kulits, lumabas ka dyan. Kulits. Kailas Gaming, thank you ha. Kahit walang kwenta tong live ko eh, talagang pumapasok ka. Thank you. Tutoy! Tutoy! Tutoy mga dyan. Tutoy! Shout out Tutoy! Pentan!
Totoy.
Tutoy!
Totoy.
Magandang gabi sa'yo, Tutoy. Thank you, Toy.
Tulog ka na ron.
Thank you, Tutoy. Wala ate si Wakmar and May. Wala. Ay, nandyan siguro kasi, ayan oh, tawa ng tawa. May tawa ng tawa dyan, oh. Siyang mahilig maganyan eh. Ulit, lumabas ka dyan. Tumatawa lang siya, oh. Pero nandyan yan. Parang JR, labas dyan. Oh, di ba? Sabi ko na. Ayan na. Wak, wak. Kala mo makakatiis ka. Oh, bakit bigla kang umiyak? Na-miss mo, ha? Toy, na-miss mo?
Salamat ako hindi sabi ko.
Bigla kang umiyak.
Ito na ang pinakamarami nating restock. Oh, kumusta ka, barkada? Tayo pinagbabalik. Sumbego Stores!
Oh, hahay, buhay pa ako. Biglang umiyak, na-miss ka niyan. Na-miss ka niyan.
Lang.
Bebenta ko to bukas sa school kasi may ano sila. May field demo sila bukas. Bebenta ko to.
Sa mga to, syempre, yung kanilang
Lagay dito.
display. So, mapapansin nyo naman, 1,000 ang isang
Hi,
Sa sports naman, 450. Sa music, 450 din. Sa electronics,
Dinak, Di ko siya miss tapos lahat. Oh, ano? Di na, di ko siya miss tapos lahat.
At the same time, kailangan na rin natin bilhin yung mga mismong product kasi maraming customer ang
Di mo siya na-miss tapos na lahat?
Ito ang kadalasan
Ba't natapos
hindi
na?
natin alam sa mga business.
Walang mag-e-exit ha, walang mag-e-exit.
Kailangan nilang pag-attend ng business, pag kailangan ng baby
Salamat.
Good morning po.
Daan lang ako. Good night, Marin May. Salamat po. Thank you, Toy. Good night. Thank you, Toy, ha.
Tayong bumili ng panibago.
Okay, magpahinga ka na.
So, try natin yung grocery.
Salamat.
Tayo ng small shelf. Parang naglalaro
Kulit,
lang
anong
tayo
oras ka
ng
natapos
mga
kagabi?
Pero mas marami tayong pwede.
Nagising ako ng madaling araw. Nag-heart pa yata ako dun.
Kailangan natin ng vegetable shelf kasi
Naka-live ka pa eh. Madaling araw na yan.
pero di ba prutas yun? Bakit ilalagay natin sa vegetable shelf? Dapat ang nilagay na lang nila produce. Kasi di ba produce kahit fruit tsaka vegetable, produce ang tawag. Dapat produce shelf na lang ang tinawag nila. In fairness sa grocery,
Mama, ano ito, palo? Ano ito, mama, palo?
yung supply ko.
Oo, palo ko yan sa batang lumalabas gabi na.
Parang kailangan ko na
Kaya huwag ka na lalabas.
Mama, wala, Diyos.
Saan yung presyo ng
Mamaya.
binibenta natin? Sales impact babawas ng 1%. Paano pag pinasa ko
Ay,
lang
ano
ang konti na
nangyari?
hindi magkakaroon ng impact? Halimbawa, ganyan. May kaso ba yan? Wala mo natang
Kulit, sumimik ka dyan.
binabalik
Oh,
natin yung
ba't nandiyan ka pa?
Para mabili.
Wala na, hindi na siya umimik. Umalis na. Umalis na tuloy.
Ang dami kong bubuhatin pa. Dadaling ko yun sa warehouse. Ang dami nito pag binuksan.
Inaaway mo naman eh.
Ang pinakamarami nating restock. Oh my goodness. Oh no!
Sige, good night. Salamat. Sila yun, nang aaway ho, hindi ako. Mabait ka ba? Mabait ka ba, Toy? Nasaan na si, ba't nawala na yung wakwak dyan? Malis tuloy.
Alis?
Opo, malis na. Malis na yung wakwak.
Wa.
Wakwak. Mabait daw pero sa kanila masama ako. Oh, ano bang nangyari? Wala akong alam. Okay lang yan. Basta ang alam mo, mabait ka. Ang importante niyan, alam mo sa sarili mo na mabait ka.
New Ambipure, now with set controller.
All right, take a look at this place. Absolutely beautiful. One of the most stunning views I've seen in Minecraft yet. I'm gonna have to survive 100 days out here in the wilderness. Right now it's summer, so nice and easy, nice and warm. But in just 10 days, fall will arrive. And when it does, it's gonna start getting cold. One of the things I need to do while I'm out here is find a muskox. So if I get a muskox, I can use the fur to make a coat. With a coat, it'll stay warm throughout the winter. There's two things on my mind right now. Two
Okay
important
lang,
things. The
ganyan
first is
talaga,
staying
salamat
alive.
po.
Second
Basta
is
ako
getting
chill
a
lang.
big,
Yes,
strong,
enjoy mo
beautiful
lang ang
cabin
life.
that will keep me warm and protected throughout the
Basta
next
alam mo
100
sa
days.
sarili
But
mo,
more important
hindi
than
ka
that,
masama.
on day 100,
Enjoy mo
you
lang ang
steer your
life.
body once
Hayaan
you
mo
arrive
sila.
and decide whether or not
Hayaan
the
mo
cabin is good
sila.
enough to purchase. If it is, you'll buy
Diba,
it.
Jayan?
If it isn't, I'll burn all of my hard work
Kala ko
to the
matutulog ka
ground
na.
and walk out into
Ba't
the
ang daldal
forest
mo pa dyan?
to freeze. Biggest problem I'm facing with that is
I-enjoy mo
that
na
I'm
lang yung
stuck in
YouTube
no
mo. Diba? Magsama ka diri ka na lang.
Fantasy RPG Minecraft with hostile mobs around every corner and deadly players.
Wala akong alam sa nangyayari pero mag-enjoy ka na lang.
America, along with the rest of the world, is deciding which country on Earth should win $25,000 in cash.
Yes ho, salamat. Kanta-kanta ka na lang. Ibalik mo na yung tutoy na pag kumakanta, laging may joke, diba? Doon marami kang nakukuha ano.
Gotta win it for the people.
May entertain na viewers. Marami kang napapatawa.
The European.
The best beer. Ooh, we got a big group here.
Habibi, how are you guys?
Wala na yung ganung tutoy eh.
The Arab Alliance. But other countries had a bit more work to do.
This is all New Zealand is. I don't even get words.
Contestants, if I were you, I'd make some friends, because in a moment, they're gonna head to the council.
Where's the countdown?
We're gonna vote or something.
That's right. The country that wins this video will have to convince all the other countries that they deserve the 25 grand.
Oh God.
I have not made a single friend yet.
My idea is go to the south because I need friends.
Yo, how's it going?
Yeah, it's good, it's good, it's good.
Don't hit me, don't hit me.
No, bro, we gotta form an alliance or something.
Also, PvP is off for now, but I make sure you don't fall behind.
England, Wales, and Ireland have to stick together.
We have an advantage if we fight.
Okay, salamat host. Copy, salamat.
Do you promise that we're going
Ina, magpahinga ka na. May work ka pa
You're my
bukas.
day one, man. You're my day one.
Thank you, Toy, sa pagdaan.
I
Salamat.
am in Africa. Maybe I. No! Ukraine died already. We lost Chassis. That's so sad.
I'm not going to see distracted. You should definitely find friends because people are forming alliances.
Everyone has now had one Minecraft day to make which means
Magpahinga ka na. Alam ko pagod ka. Bye-bye. Thank you, ha. Thank you.
That is kind of crazy.
Good night.
vibranium they're using.
Ano to, para bukas may field demo yung mga anak, ay yung mga estudyante ko. Ayan. Ito,
Maybe this alien species is a cheese species. They seem to love cheese.
sorry, ito si Bunso. Hindi to pumpoms, panlagay to sa buhok.
More cheese, all I care
What
about.
is this? A knob flesh. It's curved like mine. No, you have it. Have this black
Wala kaming nahanap na ano, ribbon na royal blue ang kulay.
Let's go into the
Kaya,
base.
DIY na lang kami. DIY na lang.
Facility. We're a giant turret missile.
Dami naman. Oo. 39 pieces ang gagawin ko.
Flying planets.
Ooh, look at that. What is that over there?
Oh, it's like a rhino with a gunk on it.
There's a baby with this. These things are reproducing?
Maybe from the family.
Let's go find out.
Hello, sir. We are humans. We come in peace. Oh God, there's a giant creature there. Break!
Lalagay dito.
Kill the baby first.
Yung buhok kasi ng mga girls, nakatali ng ganon. Tapos,
Oh yeah, wait.
ilalagay ito.
Okay.
Sana yan.
He doesn't get set on fire.
Ilalagay ito.
I'm shooting my flamethrower.
Kasi yung pompoms nila, ganito ang kulay.
The baby. We're taking over.
Wala kami nabiling ribbon na ano eh, royal blue.
Not happy. Not happy.
Ganda ng thumbnail ba?
Take over.
Drop anything.
Parang luka-luka, ano?
Species. Hopefully you didn't piss anyone off. I'm also completely out of food.
Oh, yeah, you need that cheese, huh?
Oh, yeah, making bento cheese.
Parang luka-luka lang.
It's romantic between the toes. It looks like it's great. Anything inside of it is wood.
Diba? DIY is life. Oh.
There's actions on the
Oh
inside.
my God!
Naghanap kami kanina. Ay lang kami magkakasama, apat. Apat kaming magkakasama. Naghanap kami ng ribbon. Na royal blue ang kulay. Wala kaming mahanap.
Oh, yeah. What? Oh, it's mine now.
Look what I got. Look what I got.
Ang nakita nung kasama kong isa ito, yung pang kortina.
Is this spinning on your screen?
Kaya i-DIY na lang
Oh,
namin.
dude, I can shred
Ah,
it.
di-DIY ko na lang pala. Ang lakas naman kuya.
Wait, it's like a chainsaw.
Oh, my God. So sick.
Wait,
Tago na ako.
some insane weapons now. These aliens got
Bakit ka ba nagtatago? Asa si Jenna? Hindi ko alam.
occupying this.
Oo, ito.
This is like help mining.
Kapag may birthday, ayan o, yun yung ginagamit.
Wait, we're not even at threat. There is more crates here. Let's see. Bottled
No
gold.
choice na eh, wala kaming ibang mahanap eh. Ay, bukas na agad ang gagamitin. Tapos, nag-announce kanina lang bago kami mag-uwi. Ay,
Planet.
oh, paano ka naman nun?
Oh yeah, these are the perfect colors. For every planet we explore, we must claim it with our own flag. That is our goal. All right. Okay, we collected all of the crates. Here's the door right there that enters into this giant base.
Tapos nag-ano yung teacher namin na si Press na lang ang gagaw. Ay, ang
God, it's even uglier up
ang hahanap ng panglagay.
A bunch of
Ay,
white
kasama ako. Di,
freaky with it. All right. Meat shredder.
ako na naman napuntahan ng DIY. Wala na kaming ibang maano. Taranta kayo. Kami babalik na ng libro. Ang aga nyo magbabakasyon, no? Ay, nandiyan pa si Kailas Gaming. Akala namin pumpoms. Hindi po. Panglagay to sa buhok ng mga girls. Dito.
Tatara mo na 110. Bukas na sa kaya.
Bakit?
Bibili na ako yun.
Be scared.
Pero tuloy pa rin pasok nila. Tapos na kayo mag-exam no? Sila hindi pa. Busy pa sila eh.
I just destroyed his meat.
Baka next week, exam na rin sila.
Let's head into the alien
Kasi
base.
ilang weeks na lang oh.
The door just in case. There's a lot of stuff going on. A lot of
Halos 2 weeks na lang. Bakasyon na.
Oh, elite control circuit.
Kailas Gaming, thank you ah.
Biggest word you ever said in your life.
Ganto rin yung pompoms nila. May pompoms sila, ganto rin ang kulay. Kaya iteterno lang yung buhok nila sa pompoms nila.
Oh god, they look like candy to me. I'll just take this stuff in case we need it. This room is
Tapos sa lalaki, ano, ribbon na blue dito lalagay. Ribbon na blue.
these chemical tanks. Wait, we fill this
Sa
up
girls,
oxygen?
ito ganito, pang ano sa
I don't
buhok.
want to take one. feel like the chemical tanks would be helpful.
All right, let's take it.
Ooh, wait. Look at what they're researching right here.
We're doing studies on cultures.
This is from Earth.
So that means, oh my god.
I mean, they've been to Earth, and they've been watching us. They got a sample of us. Our world is right here in their alien base.
We gotta kill all these aliens. They're planning something hot.
Look, it's literally behind this giant, thick stone door. Oh no, they're hiding something. Okay. Yeah, we gotta get revenge.
Pick up those circuits. Ooh, XP bottles. That we don't have access to.
Let's let this free.
Let's spread.
We need it. We need this to turn the Earth. Take over the alien
Kung
planet.
magyosi
Get
dyan sa
free.
pinto, Aaron. Ay, ito.
Knock it off.
Kahit na.
Going. Make sure
Usok
no
yan.
aliens around. A lot going on. Oh, yo!
Tamang bawa na kami.
They have actually been to our entire world.
They killed the Ender Dragon, bro.
A decapitated head in a jar.
Sayang, dalawang puno
Yo,
to.
they're trying to combine them with
Pahinga ka ngayon sa ice candy. Oo, pahinga muna. Bukas ako gagawa. Kasi maaga naman kami matatapos
What kind
bukas.
of boss are they trying
Ang
to
sayaw
create?
nila, JM,
These aliens need to
12
die.
o'clock. Pagkatapos nilang sumayaw, uwi
This
na.
entire facility that we ran into is the
Bukas ako
mining
gagawa.
area that the aliens built.
Sayang dalawang buno. Ah, dalawa ka? Nasa school ka? Anong pangalawa? Sayang.
So I guess aliens are real after all.
Eh di wala, bokya ka.
We're gonna completely eradicate every single alien in this universe. Well, let's continue exploring. What's inside this room? Let's see another
Nabokya ka.
something. A ton of computers and
Sa
fancy
school
stuff.
ako bokya.
Wait.
Oo,
Why does
bokya.
this look like-
Sa'yo na lang yung panalo ko.
Wait.
Sabihin mo kay Mary, sa'yo na lang isa.
If it kills us, at least we die together.
Okay, we're going in.
Alright, wish us luck. Into the alien portal we go. 3, 2. Before we go in, just a reminder, I do have brand new cookie plushies out today. We got the Cookie Douglas.
Mahirap maglaro pag ano no, yung oras na natin ng lakad papuntang school.
So if you guys want to be special, click the link below or scan the QR code on the screen to buy yourself some plushies. You only have one chance before they're gone forever. Alright, let's go see where the door takes us.
Wag na, may utang pa ako sa'yo.
Yeah.
Buang.
Teleporting elevators. That's how advanced they are.
Meron ba?
So high. Yo, what if they have a teleporter into Earth?
Pati na lang. Ayan na lang gagawin ko.
Floating aliens. I think they know we're here. There's so many aliens now.
Yeah, they're definitely spawning way fast, you know.
Sana yun.
There's another chest, but we're on top of the mining area or the
Baby ducks to me.
Tutok lang ako.
He gave them a serious pep talk the whole day.
No way. A laser gatling.
Because
Kiss me.
normally tiny
Wait,
ducks
is it frozen key?
scatter
We
everywhere.
opened the frozen chest of that spaceship.
Yeah, I think so. Okay. Dude, the jetpack. Okay, there is another. Is it on one of these?
Every single person
Let's put this
stopped
on.
and stared. And if this made
Wait,
them
we can put it
smile,
on, but you just die because you can't breathe.
Oh, okay, let me try this.
Let's try the
Red
jetpack.
still.
Pinapasen ko na nga, nakakalimutan ng ate ko. Hayaan mo na.
Wait, we're
Baka
stealing
busy
the
pa yung
alien
ate.
technology. Wait, hit me. See what damage it does. Okay. It sets me on fire.
Oh my, man, they're super good now. Okay, we can reload it with redstone. Okay, so
Okay.
oh yeah, gotta go get some of that redstone down there now.
Yeah, I'm leaving these bases.
Baka tulog na si Sis Jenalyn. Pagod yun sa biyahe.
Tree. Oh, whatever. Well, we can't even use this jetpack. Okay,
O baka kasama ni nanay, naglalaro na lang yung dalawa.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh my god.
Went through hearts. It is very hard to breathe in this planet, I'll tell you that. But the jetpack works.
Hopefully we have a plan where we can actually breathe and then we can actually get use out of these.
Yeah, I don't know if we could, but that's cool. Okay, what's down here? Wait, there's skulk down there.
Nagla-live ka mamaya.
There's a warden down there.
Wait, are they simulating
Dating gawi.
Earth inside the moon?
Oras ng live mo, nakakaantok na eh.
I think it's like clones.
I don't know, maybe
Pero
they
nakabantay
think
naman
they're
yung cellphone
just
ko.
trying to simulate the Earth.
Hindi ka nagmagdamag no, kasi
Into the mines.
hindi lowbat cellphone ko pagising ko eh.
I don't know. Well, we have to figure that out later.
Alright, let's go. Wait, shoot that. Use your laser. Use your laser. Let's see how strong it is.
Hindi ka nagmagdamag ng ano.
Getting position is crazy.
Oh
yeah.
It's out of ammo. I'm out of ammo.
You're out of ammo.
It actually fries that quickly.
Oh my. No, you're dead. My flamethrower doesn't even hit him.
Ayusin mo buhay mo, okay ka? Puro ka chismis.
He's immune to fire. Try mine.
Ano, pakialam mo. Kikinig ka lang eh.
Yeah.
Aliens are nothing to us now. But the current planet that we're on, called Hyperion, has a danger level of 1 out of 10. As we move on to each planet, it gets harder and harder, with more insane aliens, bosses, and environments. So keep watching to see how chaotic it gets. Yeah. Oh my god, this goes deep down there. I see shriekers. There's no way they spawn more than me, right?
I'm scared to go down.
Let's go.
I'm really scared.
Masama ang chismis.
Warden, right? And living on an alien planet.
It's really dark here. I can't see a
Excuse
thing.
me, hindi ko chinikismis kapitbahay ko.
Alright, which we already have. Oh my god, what is that?
Sana nakikinig ka dyan para alam mo kung anong pinag-uusapan namin. Okay?
Oh, I just burned it alive so quick. Oh, a diamond! Nice. Okay, these aliens are nothing now that we have these weapons.
I know, I don't like this. I'm gonna collect the diamonds peacefully.
Just keeps going deeper and deeper. I'm all the way at the bottom, by the way.
Oh, redstone, I need that.
It looks a lot like Earth, that's so bad.
I'm going to my Gatling gun.
Mamaya, dating gawi, maaga sana ako mag-alis kasi may ikot pa ako. Di ko madamag baka habang naka-charge. Sumab. Oo nga. Yari ka, mamaya hindi mo alam.
Right, there's no aliens
Umiinit
down
na yung
there.
cellphone mo.
Yup.
Oh, I'm gonna land in this top part.
Me too.
Sabel! Sabel!
Oh my god, what are those? Like colorful flowers.
Di naman kami nagchichismis. Kukwentuhan lang kami. Halika, sali ka. Naboboring ka yata sa buhay mo. Halika, sali ka, magkwentuhan tayo.
Swamp shards.
Sabel, Sabel, Sabel.
Alright, this place looks pretty, like, majestic.
Habang
on top, but
tulog
also
nakalag
scary.
Really scared. There's a lot.
Yari ka pag natsyempohan kang ano niyan, uminit yung cellphone mo.
That's my laser Gatling gun.
It's kind of infested with skulk.
Delikado yun pag naka-charge.
I do see sensors and troopers, but maybe our alien weapons will just shred them.
Tapos, malapit lang sa'yo. Malapit lang sa'yo nakalagay yung
Some
cellphone.
bubbly stuff. What
Habang
are those?
naka-charge.
What is that?
What's happening? What is happening? Brick! Oh my god, shooting web! Oh, what is this thing?
What is that? It's like a worm. You know, golden apple?
Yeah, I am bored!
Oh, the skull turned into white skulk. He's creeping on us.
Nasaan na yung si Sabel? Ay, multa. Multa. Nagbilang na kami kanina.
Wait, we can use mining instantly.
Sa tabi mo, yari ka. Magigising ka, isang araw, magigising ka, tostado ka na.
Their eyeballs.
Miss you, kahit di mo ako na-miss.
Many eyeballs.
Multa, nagbilang tayo kanina, di ba, kulit?
What is this weird bubbly thing going around?
Multa ka ngayon, kala mo ha.
Flame him, flame him, flame him!
This is damage to it.
It's just immune. It's a parasite. Look, it's gone. I feel like there's so much stuff to explore down there, though. We have to go see.
How do we get past it? Do we just run past it and pray?
Can't jump over. Don't make any noise. Go, 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 go! Oh, there's nowhere we're getting out. I'm going. Run, run, run.
Jenalyn, anong pasalubong namin?
Oh, there's a white one.
Resibo send mo sa
We get past
GC.
that thing, we're good. Go, 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 go.
Hoy, yung pakapi ng isang araw, hindi ko pala nasend sa'yo yung resibo mo.
Oh my gosh, kid. Oh my god.
Nakuha mo? Kulit?
We're safe over here, though.
Hindi ko pala nasend sa'yo, hanapin. Ay, nasa Yahoo Family yun ah.
I failed.
It is.
Nakita mo?
We were protecting something. Okay, we're
Hindi
inside.
ko pala
of-
napasa sa'yo yung resibo
There's
mo.
a lot of crystals. There's redstone for brick to
Yung
use.
sa premiere ata yun ni nanay na nagpakapi siya.
There, but yeah, I can see why the aliens are mining over here. Oh, the goodies are here.
Guys, assimilation 7.
Oh god. Okay, since we're here, let's mine
Wala nga. Busy ako kanina nung nag-live si nanay.
aliens and hope we don't get in trouble. But now we gotta figure out a way to get out of here without dying.
Nakita ko, end na eh.
I am.
Okay.
I gotta do it all over again.
I don't know how we're gonna make
Okay
it past
na.
this.
Multa, nakalimutan mag-thank you.
Oh god, here it comes, here it comes. The tentacles are out.
Go, 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 go! The creep-
Stop!
I'm gonna get my apple just in case. Oh my god! Do not sit in the cream. The
Bebenta ko
cream
to
kills you
bukas
so fast.
tag 5 piso isa.
Go, go, go. Okay, the
Eh, ang kailangan ng isang bata, 2 piraso. O, di may 10 ako sa isang ano. Ang nagastos ko rito ay 135, 170. Pag nabenta ko to lahat, 39 pieces, nasa 300 plus na to.
landed here before?
That means we're not the only people who've been here.
Yo, wait, what if those aliens were our people and not aliens?
Ano ba yan? Ginagawa mo?
Oh, it seems like all the other humans have died out. Government was hiding something from us. None of us have known.
Nabuhay? Nabisi talaga ako kahapon.
They left us some goodies.
Nagawa nga akong pambenta. Negosyo to. Laki ng tubo, di ba?
Let's go, America. This should be a Canadian flag, but we'll take it. All right, let's go. Oh my God. Oh yeah. We got a rover on Hyperion. Let's go.
Nalagay nga to sa buhok.
I might swerve in the corner.
Kampuyot sa buhok bukas. Sasayo yung mga bata namin.
Yo, there's nothing, there's no other cars to hit, but knowing me, I might find something to hit. Oh yeah, you
Pum-pum. Hindi.
Or,
I thought it was a llama too, I'm not gonna lie. The wandering servant.
Ang ipit sa buhok.
what is that? Wait, there's another vehicle. This is like a moon rover.
Dapat, ribbon lang na royal blue ang kulay. Gantong kulay na ribbon. Wala kaming makita.
We have diamonds, shulker shells.
Or tela na ano. Wala kaming makita. Kaya ito na
Make a
lang.
shulker box. We literally need that. Oh, we get one wither, by the way. Oh, it looks like this rover is decommissioned and now.
Dami na niyan, no?
I don't know when the U.S. government sent this to this alien universe.
This thing's not a computer that man.
39 pieces. Gagawin ko
Yeah,
niyan.
yeah, we have to.
Ay!
What if there's a boss that
39 times 2.
Oh, we'll find some.
Kasi dala-dalawa sa isang estudyante to eh.
Alright, that was interesting. Oh, we were
78. 78 pieces pala to.
Yeah, what? It doesn't seem there's anything else. Okay, we still need to build this rocket. I don't want to die on this planet, do you?
Oh, I don't want to die here. This is the most desolate planet of the whole time. There's nothing here. There's not even a McDonald's on here. Oh!
Oh my God, what is that? That's not our base. Giant satellite. What is that?
Oh my god, like this is huge.
Pag, hi sis Jenalyn. Pag bago ako mag-end, wala ang nanay, may multa din siya. O bayad na kami ni Colette.
Giant dome. Okay, let's explore this satellite first. Maybe we can communicate back to Earth and tell us that we need help.
For real, somebody gotta come save us.
Let's get out. Let's see if the satellite even still works. Yeet, I'm in. Are there any goodies in here?
Nag-live ka kanina sis Jenalyn.
Oh, I found a melon block.
Jenalyn, kamusta? Ice candy mo, nagawa mo na ba? Busy pa siya eh, hindi pa niya yung magagawa.
Okay, I'm at the top of the satellite dish. I don't see anything.
Nag-live ka kanina, wala ako eh, nakauwi kami, ano na eh, mag-aalas 5 na.
This useless satellite.
Kakahanap ng ganito.
No working.
No, Walkman. You get a very beautiful view of Hyperion.
Hindi pa nga ako nakagawa ice candy. Come on, dami mo ng multa, Jenalyn, Jenalyn. Napaka ano mo na kulit. Ang mahinhin, hindi pala imik. Mahinhin ba 'yun? Maria Clara. Doon, Ellis niya silent din ako kay Jenalyn. Nag-live ako kahapon ng hapon tapos kanina pagdating ko dito. Nang hapon na wala ako eh.
Right behind us is a giant dome. Brick. Oh my God! Inside the dome, it literally looks like the overworld. Dude, I think the humans simulated Earth inside this giant dome that they built.
Naghanap kaming ganito tapos nagutom yung isa naming kasamahan, yung anak nung kasama naming isa. Nagyaya sa Shakey's. Di nakalibre ng Shakey's si Inday.
Or nothing.
I'm saying aliens. I don't think there's any more humans.
Ay, sa KFC pala, sa KFC.
Flamethrowing. I don't want to see a spider.
KFC si Inday, nakalibre.
I thought you were spider. Wait, what the? I just right-clicked the shard and it gave me speed 4. What? Wait, I didn't know these gave abilities. Alright, it looks like there's a...
Maria Clara.
What is that giant creature in there?
Di natin mapamulta si nanay kasi ang play siya sa atin. Ay, sa bagay.
Alright, let's open the gate.
Work, Mr. Door.
Still works. Okay, so this. Close.
Baka kasi pag mag-play nun, no?
Produce heat. Okay, let's go in. Oh, they got a lot of vacuum sealed rooms. This looks insane. Let's go! Oh my god.
One and a half hour na. 2 hours ko lang to.
Merry-go-round.
Mag-set ka na ng live mo kulit para maaga ka makapag ano.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Mag-set ka na ng live mo kulit.
I've been on Hyperion.
Kasi diyan na hindi ka magla-live ngayong gabi.
Civilization.
Ano oras na? Ano oras na be?
Wait, is it PP?
10, 7 7 1.
7-1. Tama, 17.
Since I have these filter jobs, let me make it filter.
20% lang. Ah, mag-charge ka na!
Yeah, shelter box acquired. Yes, an empty inventory.
Mag-charge ka na ngayon.
My inventory to Brick's inventory.
Oh, wait. Now is a bad time.
Oh, yeah. I can't see you, but you guys can.
I have 0 slots.
Bukas maaga ang alis namin sa bahay.
So it doesn't seem they're alive anymore.
Mga 11:15 na alis na kami. 12 o'clock ang sayaw ng bunso ko eh. Yung panganay ko, hapon pa na. Mga alas 2 pa siguro.
So we're gonna spend some time collecting a bunch of resources like wood and exploring everything that we can find inside of here.
Nasaan na yung panyo mo na? Ginamit mo kanina? Ha? Oh, di madumi yun. Kusutin mo na doon. Hmm?
What does this do?
Alright, well, we're gonna explore the entire area. There doesn't seem there's any signs of life anymore. I think we're gonna build a base inside of this dome.
I nominate one of these big boy trees.
Matulog ako maaga. Sige na, pagod ako sa biyahe. Oo, nakakapagod naman talaga magbiyahe. Sige na, tulog ka na. Mag-e-end din naman ako agad. In-update ko lang ito.
I will take the right
Habang nagaganto-ganto.
build some slabs.
Sabi nga ni ano eh, sino ba yun kanina? Si...
Oh yeah, you already lost.
Sino yung kanina kulit?
Whacking this tree.
Si Sabel. Masama daw ginagawa ko, nagchichismis.
Nicer.
Matulog ka na.
I can place down leaves. Oh, GG.
Okay lang ako dito. Iwan nyo na ako. Kulits mag-LS ka na para maaga ka
Chest, a
makapagpahin.
med, and all my utilities. Enough for me to live and be happy like a monkey.
Tapos ko nito, i-end ko na rin yan. At magpa-plancha na ako ngayon kasi bukas maaga kami na alis. Para hindi ako bukas gawin sa oras.
Yeah, you ain't got spins like me.
Yo! Oh, GG. Oh,
Oh my god, I'm
wait,
sorry.
please don't burn.
Oh no.
I need fire extinguisher. Oh my god.
Mag-replay kayo sa live. Nanay nyo, matatawa kayo. Ay, nagpunta ako doon kanina. Narinig ko yung hagik-hik niya. Pero end na yung ano, hindi ko lang natapos yung live niya. Ang rinig ko na naman yung hagik-hik niya doon sa may parting dulo. Ano bang pinagtatawanan?
Go, water, go.
Ano pinagtatawanan? Naririnig ko naman yung hagik-hik niya.
I lost my tadpole, my sperm cell's gone. I'm building the bridge over to you, Brick. You bridge me, you're
Napunta ako kanina eh. Ano na siya? 12 minutes na atang tapos yung live niya.
Build a nice bridge.
Oh, okay.
So ugly.
I'll make it thicker, bro.
And yeah, we have conjoined twins now.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, I think this bridge is missing something. Oh, you have yours. You ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go.
We call this the Brookie Dome. The Brome.
Well, I was thinking the Brookie Bridge.
Oh.
But that works.
Alright, let us know in the comments. The Brookie Dome or the Brookie Bridge. It doesn't matter because we claim this entire dome is ours now. And the entire moon is ours. We have explored every single structure inside of the Hyperion planet. And the next goal for us is to build a tier 1 rocket ship to get out of here. For that, we need a lot of resources. Like steel plates, steel blocks, rocket fins, fans, and engines. So that is our next goal. We got all this stuff, right?
Pinahagikik ko siya kung kailan mag-end na.
Find coal and iron inside of an electronic blast furnace, whatever that is. And using the steel ingot, we can craft everything we need. Alright, our bases are pretty much done and connected, so now it's time to build a rocket ship and blast out of here into the next planet.
I got a ton of iron, a ton of coal, a ton of gold, whatever we need.
Yeah, I think we need a electronic blast furnace. So we might need to head back to the space trap where we crashed into and see that blast furnace through there.
Oh yeah, back at the
Oh
crash site.
yeah, there it is. Nice. Park right into the cliff. Okay, there's oil right here. Can I collect it with my bucket? We might need it for fuel. 2 buckets.
Matulog ka na sis. Lakad na doon. Kaya pareho si Lito.
Oh yeah, I got 2 oil buckets.
Lakad na doon.
I think we need those. I don't know. So let's head back into the spaceship. And what we're looking for is cog and electronic blast furnace.
Hi, wait lang pala.
Right here.
Nanalo ka kagabi sa bingo. Bingo ka. Nakita kita doon.
Oh yeah. Open it up. Open it up. What's inside?
Wait, but there's one here and there's one over here.
Oh, you pick.
Nanalo ka kagabi sa bingo, no?
Yeah. Rude.
Papa, look at this.
Go off the ship. Dagger of greed. Oh my god.
There's 2 daggers of greed, so I'll take one of those.
Oh shit. There's abilities. Okay, let's collect all of this stuff. Oh yeah. I just used it and I put it on my dagger of greed. Root of the soul.
One time lang to. Magkano panalo doon?
I didn't think it was bind.
Ay, sa ano pa yun, di ba? Sa December pa.
Alright, we're back. Ooh, stir. Nice. Here is the blast furnace. This allows us to craft all the steel ingots. I think we need, oh wait, we need energy. I did collect this energy cube to power it.
Oh, it's working. All right, there we go.
Yeah, steel ingots. Using the steel ingot, we can craft everything we need for the tier 1 rocket.
I just found an alien wandering villager. He transferred
Wait, he doesn't attack you?
paintings, gas tanks, space helmets,
No way.
fuel bucket for 4 emeralds.
Oh, that's what the emeralds are for.
Yeah, running all the way back to the dome. See you next month.
Alright, check out the lunch spot so we can watch together the things.
Anong December? Sabi ni nanay December pang bayad no, nung panalo mo doon.
Why do you look so dumb holding this? Doesn't want to chuck it.
Hindi mo alam.
Oh yeah.
May alkansya ka na naman, hindi mo alam.
Alright,
Alright, here
where are
you
my
go, sir.
steel plates?
Ayun ba?
Go. Okay, we have all the materials to craft 2 rockets for us to get out
Be,
here
mahulog
to the
ka.
second planet. We put them all together and yeah. Wait,
Sige na, matulog ka na.
is that where the other one was?
I have one heart again.
No, the way I'm holding it.
Oh yeah, I'm traveling up with this thing.
Oh yeah.
I'm coming back up for the 17th time.
Yeah.
I haven't been able to regen past like 5 hearts because I keep taking damage.
Okay, now that we have a rocket for ourselves, we also have a launch pad. Now we just need a place to put it. Where shall we launch? How about on top of this?
Tippity top of the dome.
Alright. To get up there. Oh! Alright, I'll just play by myself. Yeah, I'll literally take it back.
Oh my god.
Burger King alien.
Yung mga nasa GC lang siguro sila.
Blasting up the dome.
yan, sige.
In the chest.
I don't know. We'll see. I'm building up to the dome. We're gonna blast off and get some extra vertical advantage.
Yep, that sounds about right.
Alright, I'm on top of the tower actually. This is way cooler. Alright.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pinagawa ko lang sa bukas ko nung pinagawa ko.
Alright. Oh, not enough fuel. Oh, okay. We need to get fuel. Hopefully the alien doesn't destroy our rocket while we're gone.
Fuel. You need the oil?
Yeah, I do have one fuel cell, so let's see, bro. One fuel bucket. Alright, we'll make you one. We'll make you one. We need a fuel refinery, I think. An oil bucket? Yeah, we need a fuel refinery. I'm gonna take everything with us.
Wait, I need more steel plates.
Some wither skeleton heads, some leather.
Fuel.
Oh, okay. I crafted the fuel refinery. I have no idea how to use this thing.
Oil, we need 3 buckets of oil. I have one more. One of these.
Oh no, do we have to go back to the ship?
Hey, good luck, brother. I see fuel being crafted.
What? I just got to the ship. What do you mean?
Wait, no, we need one more bucket still. Oh, wait, we got it! We got it!
Never mind. I just got to the ship. I'm literally at the ship.
I literally just... Okay, just grab it anyways. We might need it for a future fuel. I literally just powered it and it started working.
4 buckets of oil. That's good?
Yup.
I'm on my way back. See you next year.
Alright, here's your fuel. Hop in.
Jenalyn, matulog ka na. Ulit, mag-charge ka na. Mag-e-end na ako maya-maya.
Fuel. Oh! Oh, wait. So, how many buckets do you have?
I have 4 oil buckets.
Oh, that's not even enough.
No way it's not enough. What do you mean?
We need 6 in total.
Oh my god! Wait, but we both. Is it 1 oil bucket for 1 fuel bucket?
Oh, wait, you have 4 right now?
I have 4 right
We're
now.
chilling. Load it up. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's loading.
Yes.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're so welcome.
Oh, yeah.
You got your fuel?
Yo, stop fidgeting.
Oh! No. Give me back, Gabriella. No! Gabriella!
You're dead. You're so dead.
Oh my god. I'm dead.
Yo, save it. Oh,
I got Gabriella.
alright. Save it.
No! Wait, where is he? Where'd you put
Catch him.
Where is he? I got him. How could you do such a thing, bro? You are a terrible person.
Alright, I'm loading up the rocket ships. Oh, yeah. I'm loaded. 3 maxed out fuel.
I'm fully loaded.
Yo, wait, I'm blasting off. Shit, I'm dismounting. Wait, does that mean I'm losing the rocket ship? Oh, I see a brick.
Yo, are we going?
I didn't mean to blast off. So wish me luck. Onto the second planet. And now we're off to the next planet called Alpha, which looks very similar to Mars. But instead of being a wasteland like Mars, this planet is filled with aliens, dungeons, a full-on maze, and much, much more. So the difficulty goes up by like 3 notches here. I'm going down, Brick. You good?
I think I'm chilling.
Well, space supply boosters. We're like a little life raft. Oh, I see the planet. What planet is this? It looks like Mars. Supply boosters. Landing. And touchdown! Safely. Nice. Okay, dismount. We're in. This planet is a lot scarier.
Oh, I can't see a thing.
Yeah, this is red particles and giant mountains. It kind of looks like Mars. This is Mars cobblestone. This is Mars. Okay. Caution is good, but I guess we go explore and make sure you have weapons out just in case. We have no idea what is here.
This is scary because we can't even see what's in front of us.
Yeah, what if there's a giant alien? They're like 50 feet tall. But while Brick and I explore this planet for the first time called Alpha, the story of this planet is prisoners who had a death sentence from Earth were sent to this planet to be experimented on. The experiment went very wrong and every single prisoner turned into infected aliens who got revenge and killed all the scientists and destroyed everything. So let's go see if we can find any remains. Ooh, this guy is changing a little bit. It's like... Okay, that's our first alien. Oh, now it's purple. This Mars planet is freaky. Okay, that is freaky.
Not that thing.
Shoot it! Shoot it! I'm burning it! Oh yeah, fry. Nice.
Mukhang may na-Sharon ka pang spaghetti ah.
What planet are we in? Okay, I did see a gaping hole over here, so let's head inside. Oh, there's so many vines. Oh my god, Brick, come here. There is literally a prisoner in this. Show your love.
Tapos kinakain mo lang ng malamig. Hindi pa gusto mo yun?
Those and a book called Mission.
Very
And
good.
a lot of reading, but basically there was a guy named Owen from Earth that was doing experiments on prisoners.
Gusto mo yung malamig?
And everything turned into creatures. After 4 days, Owen died, but the creature got revenge because he also killed Owen's wife and keeps her in the middle of a maze. Our goal is to get the flower in the middle of the maze and return it to his wife at these exact coordinates. Alright, we have a mission. We must go to this maze and return this flower to Owen's wife. Yeah, we got a long way. We got a maze to explore here. Okay, but Owen did leave us these weapons. And he wants us to use this to defeat the main creature in the maze. Wait, can you charge up? And... Oh! Holy! Wait, right click and let go. Oh my god. Oh my god, yo, this is insane. Owen's got some insane weapons.
Hindi daw
for us.
masarap, sabi na silita.
Die, 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 die. Oh, malfunction.
Puntahan mo yung nagbigay kanina, sabihin mo ganon.
Only stay out. Prisoner section 2.0. Correct. 2.0. We burned the entire prison section. Oh my god, this ship is huge.
Aliens everywhere.
Make a path for all these lines in the way.
Where's this guy running? Get back here.
Oh my god. Okay. Well, it looks like these are the prison cells. There's still prisoners stuck behind the cell.
I don't even think we should go in there.
What is oh, why is it back?
Alright, you open it.
Alright, what we can... Shredder time!
Ito lang.
Shred him! Shred him! Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. One heart. So anything inside these cells is worth visiting. There's nothing in that cell. Is there anything in this cell? This one's a lot cleaner. Why does it look like there's a dude stuck in the wall?
It does look like a dude stuck in the wall.
What happened to him? I like it up there, don't you, boy?
Ah, bro, yeah, you're too
He
much.
came on the wall! He came on the wall! He liked it! He liked it too much! Oh my!
There's a boy go out from the wall.
Brought him up from the dead. Seems like that's it. We've reached the end of the ship. Okay, we explored the entire ship, and the book said we need to go to the maze, which is over there in that direction. Oh, let's go! Let's go honor Owen's wife.
Tactical water bucket.
What is that? What is this?
Like that.
Oh wait, this might be the entrance to the maze. It looks like it. Look down. I don't know what's seen. Oh, the entrance to the maze looks insane. I don't know my prisoner alien built it, but yeah, it is very deep.
Let's go.
Into the maze runner. And, oh god, this is gonna be insane. By the looks of it, it seems like this maze is giant, with hundreds of turns and dead ends. And let's not forget all the spawning and creatures living inside of it. This is gonna be a struggle. Okay, if this is a dead end, I'm gonna cry.
It's your fault. You picked this way.
Nah, you said this way.
Nah, I don't remember that.
We're just running in circles, it feels like. We're climbing the ceiling. You can hide from me.
I've got to get out of here.
Your
Rescue
ringer is
this last.
rising.
You've got to help me out.
We're running in a circle.
Spawner.
Spawner. I'm breaking.
Break it. Literally asleep.
Can't get up.
The guy in the wall.
Can't get up.
If you laugh, you lose Roblox edition.
Got it. How does it do anything?
Alright, well, I'm officially out of food.
Alright,
Oh, yeah. Alright, there has to be something in your food, please.
there's a left and a right again. No
Kasama
way this leads
lang
to
talaga.
the first. Wait, unless it just goes like in another circle.
Oh, it definitely does.
Okay, let's mark this off. There's no way this goes anywhere. Break.
Bukas, ipahatid mo yung lagayan. Parang yung silito, hatid mo yung lagayan, sabihin mo, hindi naman masarap. Mute ka dyan, di ka naman nakikinig.
We got this one. Break.
Ano, nag-charge ka na?
I'm eating my golden apple. Holy, they're spitting on me. Yo, we don't need that much loot.
Lapit na ako matapos, 8 minutes na lang.
I'm dead. Peace.
Napaka-behave na. Sis Jenalyn, tingnan mo si Colex, napaka-behave na.
Holy, yo, we gotta break this.
Di ako sanay.
You didn't break the spawner.
There's too many.
Do the work here. Oh, peace.
Hindi ako sanay.
I'm dead. Break. Enjoy the world.
I mean, I'm going.
Welcome lang. Magbabawal kang kanin bukas ron. Para alam ko. Hindi na. Ha? Hindi kayang walang bawal.
I've eaten all my golden apples already.
I've eaten like 3 so far.
We're like 4. Yeah, I think we killed them all. Just don't stop.
Oh my gosh, simulation takes forever.
Alright,
Aking...
we're heading to the center now.
Hoy! Ano yung binura mo?
Honors on this side. I have one golden apple and a dream.
I have one enchanted golden apple and a dream. And slow assimilation.
Ano yung binura mo?
47, bro.
Chest.
Ulitin mo, hindi ko pa nababasa.
I say we go this way.
Alright.
Tama tayong kulog
I'm gonna
dito
take
ron.
an extra golden apple to see if it enchanted. We can run out of the maze.
Where do you land? 'Cause I'm trying to...
I see spawners.
Okay, this is new territory then.
It does seem a little safer here, like less crazy.
Where do you go, bro?
Okay, it's opening up.
Ano yan?
You're going to apple now. Shrek him. Shrekimus. Bring in the spawner. Spawner has been broken.
Nice.
Okay. Alright, let's keep going. Do we even care this much about Owen?
We're too deep in this. I don't think we can get out of this maze if we wanted to. We have no idea where we came from.
This is a dead end.
Is that Freddy?
Uh-oh. Other direction we go. Oh, you can literally see it. Bring this water.
Nice. Is there another spawner?
No, I'm sitting up here. Okay, the plan might be to get high ground, honestly. Use these leaves to our advantage. Okay. This is looking... Whoa, this looks a little different here.
Oh, okay. This is new. This is new territory.
Okay, stop. Burn him! Go.
I'm breaking it. There's another one. Go for it.
Go.
I didn't expect going that last.
Eat it. I'm getting high ground.
Ay, konti na lang.
Oh, GG.
2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 na lang.
I lost my water.
Okay. Did not break the spawner. Yeah, I broke it.
Anong luto daw ba? Walang hotdog daw?
I'm 100% out.
Ha?
Like 11. My 50 weeks without Google.
No, you can't die.
Not hard. I have nothing.
Baka tinatanong niya yung spaghetti mo.
Zero food.
Oh, same. Alright.
Walang hotdog.
Alright.
O baka nasa ibang barangay yan. Namimiesta. Na mali ng comment.
Please have some food. Bless our souls. Yeah, okay. Let's with this.
I stole it all. Sorry. God, I have 11.
Yeah, 10.
Oh, yeah. Okay, full deal.
Just give us a chance.
We got 10 pieces of cooked chicken. We gotta make it count. Probably nothing else.
We might not even be close to the center of the maze.
No idea how big this is.
Really, we're playing Maze Runner.
Ako nga nag-iisip na namang lulutuin sa ano.
Is it dead end?
Yeah, come to me. This is way soldier.
Looking promising.
Very
I
nice.
can say that. I think it's a good spawn.
May farewell party kami sa 26.
No chests? Bruh.
Nag-iisip na naman kung anong dadalhin.
Neon paint. Oh. Show the mirror sound.
Biglang kinahon ng sarili.
Gotta be getting closer.
I think so.
Isang barangay ka kulit.
Yeah, the circle's getting really tight. Shrek.
You check over there, I'll check over here.
Sayang yung 50 milyang kanina.
How there are no chests anyway?
Guts on the floor.
Di kasi nagpe-present.
Oh, I hear someone squealing in there. Okay, this circle is puny. This has to be the center.
Okay, watch out. There's guts on the floor here.
The center is right here. I see the center.
Is this the center?
Yeah.
What is this? I'm gonna go.
Watch out. Oh, get up. Water. Also water froze too.
No way, you rushed the water too. Put a block under it. I need to put a block under it and get it back.
Wait.
That mistake.
We gotta break that spawner. Oh no, I'm going
Is there a
up.
spawner?
Protect me. Breaking. Kill him.
Burn them all down.
I think we got them all, and I think this is Owen's wife's grave. We finally made it to the center. I didn't know what to expect, but I didn't expect to see a grave shrine of Owen's wife.
Hey, Owen's wife got that crazy treatment though.
Yeah.
Present, kakaupo lang, nay. Ay, nako,
I
sayang.
don't know if we should...
Mag-e-end na sana ako, nay. Magmumulta ka sana kung di ka naka-present.
I don't feel disrespectful anymore.
Para mabawi namin yung multa namin sa live mo kanina.
My ray gun?
Steal an antidote. This will stop the pathogen progression in subject cells, whatever that means.
I'll carry that because I know you don't want to.
We transform incomplete forms into vanilla creatures. Maybe we can bring an alien back to life.
What if we can cure some scientists?
Maybe. I thought they said they have no cure.
Maybe this is the cure they didn't know about.
Oh, the big beauty flower! This is what we were looking for inside of her death grave. Okay, wait. Maybe this isn't the grave. Anything else?
I mean,
Alright, Owen's wife is not there.
I'm looking for.
Yeah, alright, start digging. Where's she at
Okay,
though?
I don't think she's here. I think she escaped.
There's no way we came here for a flower and some diamonds.
We got antidote though, and an experience.
experience. Yep, and then pain.
Yep. Suffering, you know, all of the above.
Alright, well, we're gonna spend some time getting our way out of this maze.
Nice water.
Thanks. Oh, I think we found the entrance.
Chika lang kayo ng focus. Ako doon sa mga hayop sa barangay
Well, that
namin
is the
ang
maze complete. We're
yayabang.
finally back out to Mars. Good luck.
Baka gustong katayin lang kailan po ba piyesta sa barangay. Pinatulang ko lahat. Dalawang araw nang wala na silang post.
A dungeon, a small lab,
Ah, may
and a
nangyayari.
security base. That all contains very important resources to build a tier 2 rocket ship. Alright, well, let's continue exploring, Brick. But Brick and I were running for a few days because we are thousands of blocks away from the nearest structure on this alpha planet. Rick and I learn how to speed run. We use this soul renderer and we go, oh! The structure right here. Oh my GP!
There's all the horse.
Yeah.
Sneak past.
Destruction needs
Yeah.
food as well.
Yeah, pray.
Yeah.
What's a fancy door?
Mamaya. Ay,
So they're all after you. They're all
ano
after
yun?
Kuya isa.
Yeah.
Mama, kuya sa bus.
Tinatawag ko lang eh. Ano dyan? Tinatawag ka lang eh. Ba't bad na yun? Tinatawag ka lang naman. May istorbo ka? Ha? Hindi ko ng cellphone. Ano daw sabi? Ay, mali. May nakapag-asawang foreign or biglang angat ng tingin sa sarili na. Nay.
A pirate ship. The flag has a skull with a straw hat. It's the Straw Hat Pirates. Oh, cannons! Burn the Straw Hats! The Straw Hat Pirates! Lieutenant Commander Drake! Sir, the Straw Hat Pirates have invaded our base.
The Straw Hat Pirates? Show me the Commander Jonathan.
Well, sir,
Next month
what
na ang
no one knows
fiesta.
what it is. Of course, you would know.
March, April. Ang fiesta sa inyo, Nay.
My God, what are you doing? Ah! My God, what are you doing? Ah!
Resistance is futile! We have you completely surrounded!
It's been pretty noisy outside, huh? Yeah, you think there's a battle going on?
There will be no chit-chatting in this kitchen. Look here. It is our duty to prepare a warm and delicious meal for 1,000 hungry sailors. And we've got to get all of that done before the night shift starts in just under 2 hours. Does it sound like we have time to be fooling around?
No, ma'am. We're very sorry, ma'am.
Don't you worry about a thing, lads. The day the soaking massive cannons and concrete balls is the day that pigs fly. Now, get on Jessica's pet sad. That's something to be scared of. Right? No chit-chatting. What is it? Commander, finally, where have you been? I didn't get nothing. What? Again? Well, I had quite a large catch yesterday. That's not what I'm talking about. Commander, if you're constantly absent, then God bless you. My fishing isn't necessarily a waste, you know. Found her secret stash of $500 truffle.
According to the watchman, as well as the maintenance men on the dock,
Last two! Yay! Mag-end na ako. Ay,
according to them,
Go on. Spit it out already, Sergeant.
yes. Well, the men reported that they saw ghosts of it. Like I said, the ship suddenly fell from the sky, okay?
I swear, it was really big and scary and had a pink hat. And it jumped up and disappeared.
What about aliens?
A million hands started going all over my entire body. Listen, I hear everything went black. The unmistakable touch of a beautiful woman. This is clearly a ghost ship. Enough!
Yes, sir.
That ship out there belongs to the Starhead Pirates. Sergeant, I want reconnaissance, not ghost stories. And how dare you report to me with this nonsense about a ship that magically fell out of the sky?
naka 2 hours na ako. Mag-end na ako, Nay. Para makatulog na si Sis Jeneline.
It's not a way.
Pagoda yan sa biyahe. At para makapag-live na si Kulits.
Liam!
What?
Liam!
Po. Kamo po. Last one. Oh. Sumama.
Charlie, did you hear that strange sound? Calm down. It was only a soap bubble bumping. Yeah, that's gross. You almost gave me a heart attack.
Commander, look what I found in one of the rooms. Ingots in a crown. These treasures.
Kulits, mag-live ka na. Mag-end na ako. Tapos na ako. Last na to.
Get them to the lab. Yes, sir.
Para habang nagpa-plancha ako, nakatambay ako sa'yo. Hanggang antukin na naman tayo. Yan, tapos na ako. Dalinda. Wala na ba? Ay, may isa pa pala. Ano ba yan? Tapos na ako. Dami, oh. Diba dami? Paldo! Bye-bye na. Sis Jeneline, good night na. Thank you, Nay. Thank you. Relax ka na dyan. Sis Jeneline, thank you. Kulits, mag-live ka na ha. Thank you. Bye-bye. Salamat sa inyo dyan. Sa lahat ng pumunta. Thank you. Hindi na kasya yung mukha ko sa camera.